Hey everyone, this is Ben with RegisteredNurseRN.com, and in this anatomy lesson, I'm going to demonstrate a body movement term known as gliding. So what is gliding? Gliding occurs when the surfaces of bones move over one another in a linear direction without significant rotary or angular movement. The most common example of gliding is just simply taking your hand and moving it from left to right in a waving motion like this. And that can help you remember that the gliding joint movements primarily take place in the carpals of the wrist and the tarsals of the foot. However, gliding can also occur in the other plane joints of the body. And a simple way to remember which joints allow gliding: a plane joint, think of airplane gliding through the air, so the plane joints are going to allow gliding. And some examples of joints that do this are the sacroiliac joint of the pelvis, the acromioclavicular joint of the shoulder, the femoropatellar joint, the tibiofibular joint, the vertebrocostal and sternocostal joints of the ribs, as well as the intervertebral joints of the spine. Okay, that wraps up this quick video over gliding. And if you'd like to take a free quiz, we have a link in the description below that you can practice on our website for free. In addition, we have a whole playlist of anatomy videos that you might want to check out also in the description. Thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe.